to rise above it. It might be hard, but grit your teeth and